Welcome back. My name is Hector with Meistergram, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the tubular arms on your Meistergram GEM 1500 TC. For this we'll need the two tubular arms included with your machine, as well as a 3mm hex wrench. The pantograph arm on your embroidery machine has multiple slots. These slots will be used depending on the size of the tubular hoop that you'll be using. One of the simplest ways of figuring which slot you'll be using on the machine is to take the hoop, insert the two tubular arms onto the hoop, and then install the arms at the same time. One thing that we'll notice is that there are no two sets of slots that are alike, which means that if you offset the hoop arms and you place them in the wrong position, there's no way to completely install the two arms. Once you have located the slots, simply press the arms into the slots, and using your 3mm wrench, go ahead and tighten all 4 screws. For ease of installation, you can run your pantograph arm over to the left or right in order to access the screws. Make sure the screws are fastened tightly to avoid any movement on the tubular arms, which could cause loss of registration while sewing a design. Once you've installed the tubular arms and know which frame you'll be using, don't forget to go into your hoop selection option and choose the correct hoop. The machine will automatically center and set limits for that hoop. That concludes the installation of your tubular hoops on your Meistergram GEM 1500 TC. We hope that you found the video useful. Now don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us for other videos. Thanks, goodbye.